Gold keeps breaking record highs. Central banks are stockpiling it, and more UK traders are getting into it than ever. But picking the wrong platform to trade it on can cost you before you've even started. So here are 3 platforms we think are genuinely worth looking at for gold trading in 2026. I'm Isaiah from the Investors Centre, and we've spent time placing real gold trades across a load of UK platforms, testing spreads, execution, and how each one actually handles live market conditions. These are the 3 that stood out, and each one suits a different kind of trader. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing our personal favourite for gold trading right now in 2026. First up, Capital.com. If you're newer to gold trading or you just want a clean, low-cost way to trade XAUUSD without the complexity, Capital.com is well worth a look. Their gold spreads sit around 0.3 points, and there's 0 commission on top. So the price you see is essentially the price you pay. When we tested their platform, both on desktop and mobile, order placement was fast. Charts loaded instantly, and the risk controls like stop losses were easy to set up. Now, the trade-off. Capital.com doesn't offer gold options and there's no MT5 support. So if you rely on those tools, it might not be the right fit. But if you want tight spreads, a simple interface, and a platform that makes gold CFD trading feel effortless, especially while you're still building experience, Capital.com is a strong starting point. They've also got solid educational tools baked into the platform, which is a genuine bonus if you're learning to trade gold for the first time. Just a quick one before we carry on. Are you trading gold right now? And if so, what platform are you currently using? Let us know down in the comments. Next up, we have SpreadEx. Now, SpreadEx does something a lot of platforms overcomplicate. It just keeps things simple. And honestly, for a lot of traders, especially if you're not looking to be overwhelmed with features that you'll never use, that simplicity is the selling point. They've been around since 1999. They're FCA regulated, and they offer gold through both spread betting and CFDs. On the spread betting side, you can trade gold on their daily futures market from just 0.3 points. And because it's a spread bet, any profits are currently free from capital gains tax, which is a nice edge if you're trading gold regularly. One thing that really stood out to us is the barrier to entry. SpreadEx has just a £5 minimum deposit. So if you're just getting started and you want to test the waters with gold without committing serious capital up front, it's one of the most accessible options out there. Now, it doesn't have the advanced charting or the MT4 and MT5 integration you'd get elsewhere, so it's not built for heavy technical traders. But what it does reliably. The platform is clean, it works, and it doesn't try to be something it's not. For traders who value straightforward execution and accessibility over bells and whistles, SpreadEx is a really solid pick. So that's 2 solid options, depending on what you're after. And just an FYI, the links to all 3 platforms mentioned in this video are down in the description. Now, the last platform on this list gave us the most to work with overall, and that's IG. What sets IG apart for gold trading is the sheer range of what you can access. From a single account, you can trade spot gold, gold CFDs, gold futures, gold options, and gold-backed ETFs. We didn't find that kind of coverage anywhere else. When we placed live gold trades on IG's web platform and on MT4, execution was smooth, even during the busiest sessions around the London and New York overlap, which is when gold volatility really picks up. Spreads on XAUUSD sit around 0.3 points, which is solid. And while they're not the absolute cheapest out there, you're getting depth, reliability, and a platform that holds up under pressure. IG also gives you access to silver, platinum, and palladium, so if you want to branch out across precious metals without opening another account, it's all in one place. On top of that, they've got a long regulatory track record, and they hold client funds separately from company money, which matters if you're trading with any real size. If you want the most flexibility when it comes to gold trading in 2026, IG is well worth a serious look. Hopefully that gives you a clearer picture of what's out there. Every platform does something a bit differently, so it really comes down to what matters to you and how you like to trade. If you did get some value from this video, subscribing genuinely helps us keep putting these out every single week. I'll see you in the next one.